What you say you want me for do now? Because
So
I'm upstairs and watch
man.
the TV good, you come trouble me. What you want?
Why you give them some history about evil rifle? You see me I say like when he did pregnant with me, or me did grow, and them sitting there. You see me I say, 'cause this is gonna be the intro for my album. You see me I say?
All this work now.
Me I tell you, me no think so. This is a good idea, you know, man. Just play the rhythm, my brother, man. Me just say, alright.
Good day, people. My name is Teresa Taylor, the mother of Linval Taylor. You only know him as Evil Rifle. I knew that he was a special child from the time that I get pregnant with him. He was so special, but I never know he was going to be special like special ed, because he used to shit himself all the time and wet in bed. I used to wonder what happened to him. One time we take him to get put the rhythm the dog.
Nah, man, make it run, man. I ain't talk, but make it run. Mommy, go and talk.
You can't tell the people them. Listen to me, me now go lie to the people them. You say you want me to tell them the history.
Do the thing.
I'm not telling you lie, but just
talk it truth in our ear.
Brother, you always laugh like a people. Him never like beard. Him used to tell me saying beard, and when me touch him head dry like chips. And that me now got to lie to the people them.
Good. You want make the people them get to know you and know your history, and that you say you want, don't it? That's cool, no man.
No, me not do that. Me I tell them the truth.
Mommy, why you always have to do them something there?
People, him never used to afraid of nothing but soap and water. And that me I tell her, him never like beard from morning, and him still not like beard.
It's alright, forget it.
Listen to me, me not do it. It's alright.
It's a problem. That's cool, no man.
I'm gonna finish my story here, man.